Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily add left shake effect to your edit in CapCut. So here you need to at least have 2 clips imported to CapCut. Then just click on the transition box in here, go to the camera options and then find the left transition. Okay, this one, adjust it as you like. I'm going to go with 0.5 second. Just click on the check icon and now click on the second clip, go to animations and then in category click on the paddling animation, set it also for 0.5 second, and after that you'll have that left shake transition like this. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment and also subscribe. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.